Now I'm in the doctor screen. I'm gonna go to the radiology, different locations. Go to the cases. I'm gonna receive right away. That's its back-end functions, which is nobody can send these transactions. The radiology every morning when he opens, go to the lab. He opened his computer. He received all the X-rays or tests he should do. He opened the case. It's already received. He do the proper test for the patient. After he done, he save it as a completed. Since he close it, should be gone right away to the doctors. As you've seen over here, they know the case. It's because the case is done. It's completed. It's over here again to the doctors. It's over here. And the doctor, after he examined the results, everything is fine. What kind of treatment he actually resolve the case, and this case it should be done. After the doctors closed this case, nobody can access, just review, read only. Nobody have access for this information after the doctor resolved this case. But in future's use, they can access it for the patient history, medical history. Let's say I want to show you, they can attach images or X-ray. For example, I want to show you, I attach some of these. I attach this to the case. He can see and examine right away. What's that? It's X-ray, chest X-ray. All these attached to the case, and case related to that patient. It's gonna stay and stored in a database for future use for patient history, medical history. Can attach all these, and same thing for the lab. I'm gonna show you over here for PDA. My colleague Ahmed Abu Shanab, he gonna do some transaction over there, and you can see it right away over here.
I'm going to add a new patient.
He gonna add a new patient.
What patient name do you need? Pick a name.
See screen.
Is he using a web-based application to do this?
There, yeah, it's a mobile. It's mobile version. It's a mobile version. I built the schemas. These schemas can talk with any kind of applications in the market. No matter what application you use, no matter what database you use, it's talk with the data. It's actually high level of intelligence software. It's the technology now. They spend a lot of billions. I hold a project 3 years ago in Kuwait and Dubai. It's more than $3 million just to make dim locations. It's the fifth biggest insurance company in the whole world. They have more than 15,000 in one branch, 15,000 employees. They have premium from one company about $3-4 million. They have a high value. They have VIP department just for customers, treat for customers. But still we have a problem in this technology. It's not the problem is we can't connect all these providers and the government together. But it's gonna be, it should be, because we're wasting a lot of time and papers. The paperwork on the technology and leave the patient on the side, but we have spent more time with the patient and less time with the technology and paperwork. That's why I'm working hard in this technology, because we can implement this technology in any kind of business. But my concern the healthcare, because now the patients focusing a lot of challenging from coverage. Money-wise, treatment-wise, a lot of challenges for facing with the healthcare providers.
Okay, you have my name. second one.
It's over here. And he can access all these related entities, which is what's concerned about this patient. This, it's using the platforms, as I told you, the web, Visual Studio C# and database SQL Server. Why I use this kind of technology, as I told you, it's more than 90% in the market, very familiar, and it's fully integrated with the existing application in the market. My goal, I'm working on it. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to apply this and implement this in the real life and connect all these from providers and federal government and local state together, just to the end to satisfy the patient. That's my goal. Any question?
Yes, I realize the challenge of integrating all these components, the federal government, the patient, the doctors, but what emphasis, what mechanisms are you using to secure the privacy of patients? Because
it depends on your questions, how they can access the information.
I see that you have a role-based schema where you have different roles and there's different privileges that are attached to different roles. But outside of that, what mechanism, what features, what security mechanisms and features in relation to privacy?
Okay, actually this kind of technology, it's deployed and implemented on Windows Server 2003. Now they have 2008, but I already implemented in 2003. I applied the old policy, what you can imagine. In 2003, Windows Active Directory, the policy on the organizational unit, and it's already applied to all users. And plus, I have 5 levels or 4 levels of security. They can access read-only, which is concurrent users, user level, just the user's level, which is owned, as a business unit level, which is in which department he work. He can access all the information related to that department. Or if subdivision of big department, he can access the information of the subdivision. Or he is executives, he's the managers, as organizational level. I have almost two or three level of security. The Windows are existing, that which is cost nothing. It already exists, and I already deployed and built the schemas that monitoring these 4 levels.
So you're pretty much using a policy-based role.
It's already in there from the Windows Server. Plus, I built the schemas that monitoring depends what kind if jobs jobs and rules that it's related to you, that you can access this kind of information. I answer your question?
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to know if there was more other than the policy base, because I'm very familiar with security features.
Okay.
But
let's say what kind of rules you have. Let's say if you are physicians, which is you inside, let's say organization unit, it's called physicians. What company you have? Let's say X, the company. All the rules or regulations that you own, it's already applied to the schemas, and depends what's your rules. Because let me show you.
I understand what you're saying. Also for HIPAA, I don't think it is very comprehensive in terms of protecting the privacy of patients in particular. I think